Hey guys, Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com, and thanks for joining me today. Actually, today I'm going to talk to you specifically about what I wish I would have known when I first started with affiliate marketing and online business. So stick around, and in the meantime, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so let's start out with number 3. You know, every marketer that has made, 6, 7 figures out there online, they all say it's easy. They tell you it's easy. It's not easy. Okay? So the process is not complicated by any means. No, it's very straightforward. You actually drive traffic to your affiliate link, and if somebody opts in, they become a lead, and if somebody decides to purchase, they become a sale. And once they buy something, then you get a commission. Pretty simple, right? But it's not that simple. The process is not simple, but it's going to be hard. So number 2 is, just embrace the delays that you're going to have. This is not your fault. It's not a setback. I mean, yes, you see all these income claims that other people have made, but you don't even know if those are true, do you? I mean, are you actually looking at their bank account to know that they're actually making the money that they say they are? No, you can't. But you have to be able to stick it out. It's going to be a hard road. You have to do something every day that's actually going to bring leads into your business. And if you can't do that on a daily basis, you can't actually expect to make sales. So honestly, I thought I was going to be a lot further in my journey than I am currently. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that when you see all the other people out there, of course, doing all this stuff, you have gurus and longtime marketers that are saying, oh yeah, I have the best strategy ever. And then you expect to be able to get some results from using that strategy because that's what they did, right? But you go through all this training all the time, and and if you don't get an instant result, then you're going to say, oh, well, it doesn't work. Well, it does work, and the strategies are good, but it does not mean that you're able to see results within a week, within months, even a year. I mean, this all takes time. And it happens quite a bit, to tell you the truth, with affiliate marketing and online home business. And just because everybody seems to be making this money, what my actual CEO of one of my companies said in a video, and actually it was just yesterday. His name is David Sharp, and he states, yeah, you're going to be blown up with emails in your inbox, messaging in your messenger, people trying to connect with you and trying to say that they've got the secret, the magic, this, that, and the other. And so you sit through these trainings, you go through these webinars, you do all this, you actually maybe buy some stuff because they say this is what they use to earn their 7 figures in their affiliate marketing company or online business. But guess what? If you don't like that, if you're not passionate about what the strategy that they're offering you, you're not going to do it. You're just not going to do it. I mean, if people are not wanting to get on video and they take a video marketing course because this is how somebody made 7 figures in a year through video marketing, if they don't want to be on camera, they're not going to do video marketing, right? You have all these different platforms. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Snapchat, you have Facebook stories, Instagram stories, Snapchat stories. It just goes on and on and on. And you can't be on all those platforms and think you're going to win at anything. You have to pick one strategy, stick with it, be consistent, do something every day, and that's when you're going to get out of those trenches and see an climb in that uphill battle. So the frustration's going to be there. They're going to be real. They're going to be to the point where you don't know what to do. You're going to get, and that's why a lot of people quit. They just like, well, I can't do this. Those horrid words of using I can't instead of I am going to do this. I do have a vision. I do see the potential, and I can, and I am, and I will. Those are the words that you need to think about. Because the potential income is there, guys. It's just there. It just doesn't mean that you're going to make it within the next month, 30 days, 90 days, whatever they come up with, whatever timeline it may be, because it just is not there. It depends on you. It depends on the effort you put in. It depends on your vision that you have and how strong you're going to be around to stick with it. So number one, and this is going to be a part one of maybe, I may do a part two tomorrow on this whole discussion because it's pretty long. So don't pay for advertising. Don't do it. If you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to do it, you could just be putting money out there and it's going to put a strain on you. Don't think you can just wing it because you can't. Because if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to get any results from it. And it's just going to be wasted money. And frankly, you shouldn't be trying to do paid advertising if you don't have a budget. Until you have a budget that you can spend on paid advertising on a monthly basis, you figure out what that may be for your budget because everybody's different, and then you learn it, and then because having that budget in place doesn't mean that you're going to get results either, because in the beginning you're going to have to do testing, and it's by trial and error that you actually get like a winning ad, winning campaign. I mean, the top marketers out there will tell you that just because they put up some kind of advertising, that doesn't mean they get results from it. Their campaigns and their ads bomb too. So if you haven't started a business, I want to have you check a link in the description for a free book. All you actually do is pay for the shipping and handling, and we'll get that out to you. And I think this is something that you're really going to enjoy. It is called Legendary Marketer, and it's a total foundation for anybody starting in any type of business. It doesn't matter if it's online, if it's brick and mortar, if it's whatever it is. It's just the foundation that you need for everything. So thanks for watching me on this video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. So if you haven't subscribed and hit that notification bell, do so below. It's down there. Okay, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.